Well, there's many reasons that architects and design specialists and builders choose heat-treated glass. The transparency of the glass, the performance of the glass, and maybe most importantly, in this instance, the strength of the glass. There are two main types of heat-treated glass. There's heat-strengthened glass, which is 2 times stronger than annealed glass, and then there's fully tempered glass, which is considered safety glass, and that's 4 times stronger than annealed glass. If it's heat-strengthened, it gives it strength to resist thermal stresses and edge damage that might occur during the handling of the installation process. Tempered glass can be used in, for example, floor-to-ceiling glass, where if it breaks, you want it to break into small pieces so that if anyone were to come in contact with it, they would be less likely to be hurt. Tempered glass is used in shower enclosures, as another example. Sometimes it's thought that more is better, or stronger glass is always better, but this isn't necessarily the case. One of the benefits of heat-strengthened glass is that if it does break, it will tend to crack and stay in the frame. Fully tempered glass is used when safety glass is required. And, safety glass is designed to break into smaller pieces to avoid the risk of injury. Guardian recommends that heat-strengthened glass be used in any application where strength is required, but that tempered glass is not required by safety code or for other reasons. In a Guardian float plant, the glass that's produced that comes off the float line is what we would call annealed glass. And annealed glass can be cut and fabricated, can be heat treated, can be laminated, can be further processed in many ways. The glass is transported into a furnace and it's heated up to over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The glass tends to expand during that process. The heat strengthening and the tempering comes really from the cooling part of the process. Cool air is blown on the glass, and that rapidly cools the glass, compresses the outside of the glass, and that creates a permanent tension in the glass. That's what gives it strength. One thing to know about heat-treated glass is once it's been heat-treated, it can no longer be further cut or fabricated. Any cutting needs to be done prior to the heat-treating process. It's important to know that heat-treating does impart potentially a small level of optical distortion in the glass, but this is controlled very well today in the furnaces and with the capabilities of the fabricator network. Guardian is a solutions provider to architects on commercial construction projects. We offer resources to provide assistance on technical service to select the best heat treating process for a project, whether the glass should be heat strengthened or tempered. We can help with alternatives on products and product performance, and we can assist in providing execution of the project. All of these things will work together to help the architect achieve the vision that they're looking for their project.